More than 10 years ago, a small nonprofit organization came up with a big name: Partnership and Inspiration for Engineering, Education, and Entrepreneurship. We quickly came to call this nonprofit Pi Cubed, since our mathematical brains saw Pi Cubed that way. In its first years, the goal was to sustain and grow a robotics team, born as a part of Liberty High School and called the Robo Lions. This group of 15 to 30 high school students took part in the FRC First Robotics Competition program, which challenged them each year to innovate and problem solve at a level they could never have imagined. Working in an environment just like engineers at NASA who send rockets to stars, the team had to build a robot in 6 weeks. Soon, the PiCube family grew. PiCube became involved in many FIRST programs for K-12 students and helped to train, fund, mentor, and support the people and teams involved in those programs. Because of this, the idea of robotics for all began to take hold. After many years of community growth, Carroll County Public Schools began to see how valuable the program was, particularly for the 4th through 8th grade students looking for STEM engagement. The older students took pride in the inspiration of younger students, and many new partnerships flourished. After several years of promoting robotics for all successfully, the pandemic took us back a few steps. All members of PiCube scaled back outreach efforts, in-person events, and the expansion of teams. However, some of our teams, including the Robo Lions, kept going strong. During these challenging times, we have added teams for students in grades 7 through 12, and we have opened a new facility for them to meet and build their robots. This project is forward-looking, and that is why we call it Robotics and More. Our goals included a return to our in-person events and outreach, upgrades in technology to ensure our team members are learning valuable skills for the future, renewed partnerships in our community, the focus on sustainability in our volunteer base, the addition of some essential staffing, and more connection to regional efforts.